Welcome to the Wisdom Palmistry channel. This is where we specialize in uncovering the secrets of palmistry and physiognomy to help you better understand life and find direction for the future. In today's video, I will analyze the palm of a viewer to provide predictions and useful advice. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to hit subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with the latest videos. Let's get started. Today I am delighted to analyze your palm. You were born in 1993 and are now 31 years old. First, looking at the overall palm, you have a relatively long hand with a unique feature. Your three fingers, index, middle, and ring fingers, are very long and quite prominent. Notably, your ring finger and middle finger are almost the same length. With this type of hand, work related to business and commerce may suit you. Additionally, you possess relatively long fingers, which indicates a high artistic talent. If you work in fields related to art, such as creativity, design, drawing, or as a designer, it will be highly beneficial. However, with long fingers like these, you may sometimes be a bit picky or jealous in life. Especially in relationships, you tend to be emotional and easily jealous, often placing significant emotional weight on work. You are someone who lives emotionally, caring deeply for your family and those around you. With this personality, you can thrive in jobs related to caring for others. Regarding the lifeline, it is rounded and curved, indicating you are an extrovert. Your outgoing nature and excellent communication skills allow you to earn the affection of those around you. On this hand, the spaces between your fingers are quite tight, and your palm is relatively deep. These are signs that you have a good tendency to accumulate wealth over time. However, you can be somewhat hot-tempered, as reflected by the clear, bold, and long headline. Sometimes you prefer jobs with a degree of freedom. Rigid or overly restrictive work environments can make you feel stressed and uncomfortable. Therefore, freelance jobs may suit you better. Moreover, you have excellent communication skills, as shown by the phoenix eye pattern on your thumb. People with the phoenix eye are often intelligent, active, and quick-witted, earning the admiration of those around them. Your learning and enlightenment capabilities are also exceptional. However, you sometimes have a tendency to engage in idle or trivial conversations. While you can talk about fun topics, you struggle to discuss professional or deeply meaningful matters. This makes others perceive you as somewhat childish and not yet fully mature. You need to improve this by becoming more consistent in your speech, speaking accurately, and acting accordingly. This will help you advance further in life. You have a well-developed Jupiter mount. With such a prominent Jupiter mount, you tend to take on roles of authority, management, and leadership. Therefore, in work, if you have a stable job, such as an office position, you can rise to roles like department head, team leader, or director. If you venture into business, you also have the ability to lead and manage. With this type of hand, you are fully capable of being a leader. On your headline, there are beautiful features, specifically the presence of numerous tiny triangles. These are signs that indicate you will accumulate wealth and assets, and by the age of 40, you may own significant material possessions like a house or a car. Your palm also has an M shape formed by the heart line, fate line, headline, and lifeline. This type of palm is often associated with individuals who are highly independent. You prefer to work on your own, being self-reliant, rather than depending on or seeking help from others. At work, you tend to complete tasks by yourself instead of relying on others. This is a very positive trait of the M-shaped hand. This M-shaped hand, combined with your phoenix eye pattern, indicates that you are intelligent, quick-witted, and highly efficient in your work. The results you achieve are often quite good. However, you may lack determination in your work at times. This is due to your fate line being relatively faint and winding. From the age of 30 to 33, you will begin to identify a clear direction for yourself. During this period, you may feel somewhat uncertain in your work and life, sometimes unsure of what field or career truly suits you. You are well suited for fields like business, commerce, or creative work. You also have the qualities needed to be a leader. However, you need to connect more with the people around you, socialize, and live a bit more openly. While you tend to be quite extroverted, your ability to express yourself outwardly is somewhat limited. This needs improvement. Your palm has a unique feature. The heart line curves upward between your fingers. With such a curved heart line, your personality can sometimes be a bit difficult, stubborn, and inclined to do things your way. Additionally, there is a branch on the heart line that goes upward between the fingers. This indicates that you may occasionally feel lonely and out of place within your community. Furthermore, the heart line also has a branch that points downward toward the headline. This is not a good sign, as it suggests you might let emotions influence your work, leading to disadvantages in matters of love. This can make you overly sentimental. When you love someone and encounter difficulties, it's often hard for you to move on, leaving you in a state of longing. Interestingly, your palm shows parallel heart lines. These lines signify that you tend to be quite romantic and may experience multiple relationships, with love affairs coming and going quickly. However, your marriage lines are very beautiful. They are long, curve upward, and have many branches, indicating that in the future, you might benefit greatly from your spouse. It's unclear whether you are currently married, but your heart line shows no signs of conflict or separation in marriage. Additionally, you may receive support from your in-laws. The career line on your palm rises between your fingers and is very prominent. This is a sign that you might become a renowned figure in the future, someone well known to many. This fame might emerge after the age of 40 when things come more easily to you. Between the ages of 30 and 40, you should focus on your work and networking. Jobs that require change and creativity, such as business or trading, are very suitable for you. In terms of finances, your fingers are relatively tight together, indicating strong financial management skills and a good understanding of the value of money. However, there are also signs of financial loss lines emanating from between your fingers. These loss lines are quite distinct, so you need to be mindful. Finally, on the lifeline, towards the end, there are small downward lines. This indicates that in the last 2 years, your work and finances have not been favorable. Specifically, from 2022 to 2023, the situation was quite poor. This year, your financial situation shows signs of improvement compared to before. However, you need to pay attention to your emotional relationships, as conflicts or disagreements may occur between June 2024 and June 2025. It's important to address these to avoid unnecessary disputes. If you're considering starting a business or embarking on a new venture, 2026 will be a good time for you to begin something fresh, such as changing jobs, starting a business, or expanding your field of activity. However, this period also carries significant financial risks, with a high chance of monetary losses. Therefore, I advise you to be cautious, especially with legal procedures. While it may be hard to deter you once you've decided, I still emphasize the importance of thorough preparation to avoid unnecessary troubles. On your lifeline, there are small upward lines, which signify that you are determined, resilient, and do not easily give up. However, you need to improve your perseverance because, at times, you tend to procrastinate or get easily distracted by other exciting things. This may slow down your work progress. You should also find a mentor or workplace that can help you develop professionally, as guidance will help you go further. At the same time, you need to learn to listen and absorb others' opinions. Being stubborn or inflexible could cause you to miss many good opportunities. Your hand shows many signs of good financial fortune. A developed Mercury mount and clear financial lines indicate that you have the ability to generate significant income. From the age of 30 onward, your work will encounter more favorable conditions. However, success still requires effort and perseverance. You cannot rely solely on luck. If you work hard and remain steadfast, you will have a stable later life, accumulate wealth, and enjoy love and support from your family. Regarding marriage, although there are no signs of breakup, the gap between your middle finger, representing yourself, and ring finger, representing your future spouse, is quite large. This suggests that the couple may not be entirely harmonious and could easily experience disagreements due to misunderstandings. Your future wife is also strong-willed and assertive, so both of you need to learn to share, listen, and communicate to maintain family happiness. You deeply love your family, but sometimes your way of expressing affection isn't clear enough. which may lead to misunderstandings. Therefore, pay attention to improving your communication skills and expressing your feelings. That concludes my analysis of your hand today. I hope these insights will provide you with a new perspective and clearer direction for the future. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or share it to spread positive messages to more people. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss the upcoming interesting content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video on Wisdom Palmistry.